Hi guys, so today we created FakeBook 1.0. This is our welcome screen. Um, so as you can see, we have a beautiful logo right there and it says welcome to FakeBook, and you can insert your username. So for example, I'm going to input Jacob and then we can click begin. So that's our welcome screen. So right now this is all we have because we didn't really know how to code in Flutter at first, so we kind of just tried to create like a simple web page, and we're hoping to flesh out the features more in the future or next time we work on this. As you see, we have an icon for like Instagram. We were thinking about creating like uh, essentially a skeleton of like a social media page, and basically the user would be able to like create a new post, and that would affect their public image, their mental health, and we would also track their like total posts. And we were also thinking about like implementing like kind of a randomizer where there'd be like a scandal, which would also affect their public image. And basically we're trying to show how social media can impact people in a bunch of different ways. And yeah, so we kind of modeled it after like a cookie clicker game where it's a really simple and addicting game, but you're also getting educated and you get to see kind of like what the real impact of social media is. And as you can see, we also have a little description in the middle of the page written by one of our team members. And yeah, it was a great project. We learned a lot. We realized just how hard it is to set up Flutter and to work in languages that we've never worked with before, but it was a really great experience. And yeah, we hope you like it.